Right, Morgan. You're telling me that while my portfolio is doing a beautiful 10x, you're still there with your magnifying glass, drawing little lines on a chart like some Victorian map maker? I've seen pensioners with more action on their bingo cards.
Oh, mate, at least my charts don't look like a heart attack EKG from a coin named after a dog. Look,
Hey,
because you're clearly all about quick gains and no substance, let me introduce you to something from my CMT Level 3 studies that might actually add a wrinkle to that smooth brain of yours.
okay.
It's called Bayesian updating.
Bayesian? Sounds like a brand of expensive olive oil.
No.
Drizzle a little Bayesian on your portfolio for extra returns. What is it, another one of your granddad's secret indicators from the 70s?
It's the opposite of old and dusty, mate.
Right.
It's the smartest way to change your mind, which, let's be honest, you crypto guys need. Think of it like this. You have an initial belief about something.
Okay.
That's your prior. Let's say you think a stock has uh, a 30% chance of beating its earnings.
Okay. A starting guess. I'm with you.
Then you get new evidence. The day before earnings, a major supplier for that company issues a massive positive forecast.
Ah, okay.
That's new data. Bayesian updating is just the formal mathematical way to take your initial 30% guess and update it based on that new strong evidence.
Right.
Your new improved belief is called the posterior.
Hold on. So I think a new meme coin is pure trash. Maybe a 10% chance of it being legit.
Right.
That's my prior. Then I see on chain that 3 massive, well-respected funds have just bought a big bag.
Hmm.
My posterior belief is now, okay, maybe it's not total trash.
Exactly. You've just done Bayesian updating.
Wow.
It's about not being married to your initial thesis. It's about evolving your opinion as the facts change, but doing it with structure, not just, vibes.
Okay.
It turns your gut feeling into a number.
A number I can use. I like that. So it's not just for you 4X dinosaurs watching inflation prints.
Nope.
I could use this. Say there's a rumor about a new crypto project partnering with a big tech firm. My prior's like 20% because of all the fake news.
Standard, healthy skepticism.
But then I see the project's lead developer, who never retweets anything, retweets the tech firm's CEO.
Okay.
I can update my 20% belief to what? 40%? 50%? And maybe I take a small position based on that updated probability.
Now you're getting it. You're not just guessing anymore. You're layering evidence.
Yeah.
It's the bridge between different schools of thought. For me, I might see a classic bearish pattern, head and shoulders.
Right.
My TA brain says, warning, this usually drops. That's my prior. But then an unexpected positive jobs report comes out, boosting the whole market. I use that to update my belief. Maybe the pattern won't play out this time. It makes your analysis dynamic.
So you're not just a chart drawing robot.
No.
You're a chart drawing robot that learns. Wow, I'm actually a bit impressed, Morgan. So what's the killer app for this? How does it make us money?
Two big ways. First, risk management. Let's say your model thinks volatility is low.
Okay.
Suddenly, a flash crash happens. A Bayesian model doesn't wait for a 200-day average to catch up.
Whoa.
It sees that new extreme data point and immediately updates its understanding of risk. It adapts in minutes, not months.
That's massive for crypto. Calm and chaos are like 5 minutes apart.
Exactly.
A model that keeps up is the holy grail. What's the second one?
Strategy optimization. You know how you spend entire weekends trying to find the perfect settings for your trading bots?
Ugh.
The perfect RSI length, the perfect MACD crossover.
That's a sore subject. The lost weekends.
Well, Bayesian optimization is like a master apprentice. It tries a few settings, sees the results, and says, okay, given that, the most intelligent thing to try next is this.
Right.
It doesn't just blindly test everything, it learns as it goes, saving you a massive amount of time and computing power.
Right. So it's the work smarter, not harder principle in action.
Yeah.
Right. So it's less time staring at backtests and more time, well, doing anything else. All right, I'm sold. This Bayesian thing isn't just for suits. It's a proper tool.
So let's boil it down for everyone listening.
The core lesson is this: have strong opinions, but hold them loosely. Hold your opinions to a fire to the hand. Be disciplined about how you change your mind. Use new evidence to update your beliefs in a structured way, not just on a whim or a prayer.
Right.
That's the difference between a professional and a gambler.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Don't be a stubborn mule. Got it. All right, you legends, if you think Morgan is a genius, or if you think this is just fancy maths to make him feel better about his charts, come and tell us in the chat group. The link's right down below. Hop in, have a laugh with us, and tell us what you're trading.
Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. What is one core belief you hold about a trade or an investment right now? And what is one single piece of new evidence, just one thing, that would be powerful enough to make you formally update that belief?